What's up? Back again. Well, back here. I don't know.
Back again?
I don't know. I
From
don't know
where?
where we come back from.
Where you was?
Yeah, somewhere. But we're gonna go get some vegetables. Of all places, we're at the mall, but they have a small little farmers market that happens throughout the week. We get some Filipino vegetables. We're gonna make some chicken inasal, but I want to make a salad on the side of it. So let's just go see what they have.
What is this one again?
Chayote.
That's right,
Chayote
yeah.
sauce.
But still, the inside is still like pumpkin style, kind
No,
of?
it's like like a green papaya.
But-
We used to make pickles with it. It's like super crunchy.
Oh, wow.
But you can also put them in like canola. So like when they make like chicken papaya soup, a lot of parts if no more papaya though. This is also traditional too.
Oh. Hi.
Thank you. These are great A's.
Fatties.
Green guava. See, me with tropical fruits, anything I like tropical fruits that are green. I prefer green fruit over unripened, perfectly unripened. If that makes sense. I just like sour instead of chopped. I don't know. There's something off-putting about something that's overly tropical, sweet smelling. You know?
Yeah, well, I mean, I feel that way about like super ripe guavas.
Even
Are
mango,
super off-putting for me,
yeah,
or
yeah.
papaya when
That's
it
why,
gets
like,
to
people
like
durian, right? Like the fruit
Yeah.
durian is that like
Super
over the
funk,
top
yeah.
tropical soup. Yes, this for zucchini and the guava. That's also the soup. I've got a bunch already at home. Good cash.
yeah. Cheap bastard.
I don't even get to hold cash. Janice doesn't let me have cash.
For real? What? Cause
It's been 20 years.
$10.65.
I have 11 in there.
Yeah, I don't even know how to grab money out of a wallet.
Don't mess it. I have 2 5s in there. If you want to just give her 11.
Yeah.
You know what? How much does that make for change? Count it backwards.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. That was common.
Who?
Janice.
She sensed you.
Yeah.
You're talking shit.
You don't know. You use what's cash in your hand? What is this thing?
What is this PGA bag?
Yeah.
Yes. The PGA stands for pretty good, eh?
Pretty good, eh? Pinoy good, eh?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
The drop. The drop. The drop. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Instagram Live. welcome to the first of, oh my goodness, it's been a while. We're starting off, we're gonna start doing recipes, all kind of cool stuff, and today we filmed, well, we're still in the process actually.
I mean, it's happening.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is what's happening. Yeah, you're gonna see the ending of it. So we made some spatchcock chicken in the style of Inasal.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's in the oven right now. And we're gonna make a zucchini salad, so to say, a side salad to go with it. And we're gonna put it on Instagram Live. You're gonna see it all come together right here, right in front of you guys. Beautiful eyes. All right, so we're gonna make this zucchini salad, right? We're down to Queen Kawamono today. Got to go see Filipino farmers. They're actually growing some cool stuff. We got some zucchini, not only Filipino vegetables, they're doing all of these stuff too. Very simple. We're gonna keep this one very simple. So one of my favorite things is eating zucchini raw. You always think of it, I don't know, what's the dish that you think of zucchini? What is first zucchini? I think,
Oh, is there like a specific?
not really. I think of zucchini, I think of Panda Express. Mushroom chicken
Okay,
zucchini,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
what I think of. But yeah, this is a fun one. Just gonna be a good side to our chicken. So I'm just gonna cut the ends off like this, and it's all gonna go right in here. Get yourselves one of these mandolins. I'm gonna, not super thin, but I'm gonna just try to see. Let's see where we land first. So I like to keep it flat like this, and then run it across like so. That's a little thick. I want to make it not as thin as possible, but you want it to be enough. That's perfect, just like that.
Do you have any safety tips for a mandolin?
Yeah, I mean, that last bunch, it's not worth it. It's not worth your fingers. Always have a firm grip on it. Always pay attention. You never want to be in conversation when you're doing this. Your eyes should be here. Next to the razor blade, there's been so much people who's lost fingertips.
I know. I mean,
You might know someone.
might know someone that may have ruined a Thanksgiving.
Yeah. All right, so it's like I said, that last bit is not worth it. Maybe take a knife to finish it off. Beautiful.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Being careful once you get to the end to watch your fingertips. We'll hold it down like this. Constantly watching. Well, that's how much we're gonna take it down to. Okay. So we got that. That's our zucchini. That first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some, just some kosher salt. Good bit of it. This is gonna help release the water from it. I'm also gonna start to get it crunchy. So just gonna toss it just like for a few minutes, and then we're gonna add our herbs to this. And mix that gently, just like that. We'll leave that for a few minutes. To this, it's been sitting for a few minutes. We only need a few minutes. We're gonna season this. I have a little bit of calamansi juice. Calamansi.
30 calamansis for that pour.
In there. I'm gonna add a little bit of palm vinegar, touch cane vinegar. I love balancing all the different types of acidity. I'm gonna add some aged fish sauce. Just a little bit, goes a long way. Then I'm gonna season it with togarashi. It's like this one is chichimi togarashi, which is a blend of, like, there's sesame seeds in it. There's a few different types of peppers, but Japanese chili pepper. I'm gonna take some cilantro. I'm just gonna give that a rough chop. Beautiful herbs in there. Boom. Get some Thai basil.
Is that from the yard?
Yeah, both of these are from the yard. Nice.
Flax.
Yeah, there's nothing like herbs. I don't know, just something about herbs when it's that fresh, when you pick it from your garden. Like the vibrancy of it, it's still like it's as if it's like still growing. Okay, to that, I'm gonna just add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll mix that all. Beautiful. A little bit more salt. Do that. A touch more calamansi juice. I'll let that sit, and then we're gonna check on my chicken.
She wanted me to Sandy's. I told her bring me candy. No wearing nothing fancy.